Celebrities' top-grade cars. Not a single celebrity likes to be called off from the foremost celebrity list. Spending money on cars for retaining jobs and brands isn't a big deal for millionaires. Did you ever guess the celebrity's worth by looking at their lavish cars? Hey guys, this time we have brought a thought-provoking video for you. We're going to talk about celebrities' top-grade cars. Without further delay, let's begin. Number 5. Cristiano Ronaldo, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. It's one of the world's most expensive cars that is owned by Juventus star player Cristiano Ronaldo. Its worth is around 8.5 million euros or over 10 million US. He helped his club Juventus win a Serie A championship, sharing the picture on Instagram with the caption, "You choose the view." His initials CR7 were also shown on the side of the car in the picture. This car's speed is up to 380 kilometers per hour, reaching 60 kilometers in 2.4 seconds. In addition, to present a special ankle boot to Cristiano Ronaldo, Bugatti and Nike teamed up. The sportswear brand teamed up with the automobile brand to launch the Nike Mercurial Superfly CR7 Diachi. Only 10 Bugatti La Voiture Noires have been manufactured around the world until now. Moreover, Ronaldo's supercar collections include the Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vezzi, Ferrari 599 GTO, Lamborghini Aventador, and the McLaren MP4 12C. Isn't it so cool, guys? Furthermore, Cristiano Ronaldo has a Ferrari 599 GTO, a Lamborghini Aventador, and a McLaren MP4 12C. In addition, in June of last year, he bought a 5.5 million pound luxury boat. Earlier, Ronaldo and Juventus won the Serie A title. He finished the 2019 and 20 season as the second highest goal scorer. Number 4. LeBron, Ferrari F430 Spider. Its price is around $217,000. It is owned by LeBron. The vehicle was customized to fit LeBron's 6-foot 8-inch frame. Ferrari F430 Spider features a lightweight V8 engine that produces 490 horsepower. The roof panel automatically folds away inside a space above the engine bay, and the conversion from a closed top to an open-air convertible is a 2-stage folding action. The supercar is powered by a V8 engine that can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and reach a peak speed of 196 miles per hour. Moreover, just as we thought LeBron would obtain a few other cars made in Germany, he went to another portion of Europe to purchase the Ferrari F430. The car itself includes a completely automatic electric hood that keeps the motor out within the open, and this thing alone draws in a part of attention. The Ferrari F430 Spider shape is the result of lengthy testing and features a pronounced knoller which is integrated into the tip of the engine cover, new bigger rear air intakes that emphasize the car's muscular stance, and a replacement rear valance that includes a diffuser of competition derivation. The engine itself is attractively set below a glass cover. Just like the Berlinetta, the new Ferrari F430 Spider, a worthy successor to the Ferrari 360 Spider, incorporates 2 elliptical air intakes that feed the front radiators. The form of the intakes is inspired by Ferrari's racing cars from the 1961 season, especially the 156 F1, which Phil Hill drove to its year's F1 championship title. The spoiler that joins the 2 intakes at the bottom edge is extremely effective in directing the central airflow towards the flat underbody. Number 3. Tyler Perry, 2017 Rolls-Royce Wraith. A known Rolls-Royce fan, Tyler Perry owns a Rolls-Royce Wraith that features some cutting-edge technology and traditional styling. Manufactured by Rolls-Royce, this all-blue luxury vehicle is the kind of car he likes to be seen driving. The car has a 6.6-liter V12 turbo, 8A engine with a top speed of 155.3 miles per hour, a 0 to 60 speed of 4.4 seconds, and kicks out 624 horsepower. The car has some interesting technology on board, including a heads-up display, adaptive cruise control, and a 10.2-inch navigation screen. In addition, a nearly infinite amount of options are available, and the car can be further personalized with unique paint colors and interior furnishing through Rolls' bespoke commission program. Tyler Perry's Wraith also has 18-speaker AM/FM CD stereo system, 4-zone automatic climate control, front and rear parking sensors, a proximity key, and automatic xenon headlights. Furthermore, all features of this amazing car include heated fronted seats, Bluetooth connectivity, power closing doors, a power-operated trunk, and 20-inch alloy wheels. For a considerable $24,850, you'll be able to have the bespoke CC Commission Collection Insides plus Outside bundle that incorporates the Skyline Insides environment, fashion of Insides color format, differentiate sewing, situate channeling, Rolls-Royce monogram on all headrests, tread plates, the cleaned stainless steel bundle, colored controlling wheel, CC outside paint, and coaching. The $29,900 Phantom bundle highlights Rolls-Royce bespoke sound, lamb's wool floor mats, settled glass roof, full choice of wheels at no extra charge, and the Driver Help 3 bundle. In addition, the Wraith comes standard with front, A-spec, and curtain airbags, adaptive headlights, top, side, and rear view cameras, and stability and traction control. In Motor Trend Trying Out, the 2014 Rolls-Royce Wraith came to a forced stall from 60 miles per hour in just 109 feet. Pretty a feat for an automobile that weighs over 5,000 kilos. The Elective Motive Force Assistance 3 bundle consists of adaptive headlights, a head-up show that tasks critical data for the motive force, lane departure caution, nighttime imaginative and prescient that could discover pedestrians in low-lit regions up to 300 yards, and adaptive cruise manipulate, which can preserve a particular distance from the automobile ahead. Number 2. Kylie Jenner. Ferrari LaFerrari. Cost $1 million. Of course, Kylie received a $1 million car as a push present from her boyfriend at the time, Travis Scott. The car can reach 124 miles per hour in less than 7 seconds. Kylie's rare LaFerrari is one of the more famous additions to her collection. Travis gifted the foreign car to Kylie as a push present after she gave birth to their daughter, Stormy. The 2015 luxury car is hard to come by as only 499 LaFerraris were made. The gift set Travis back a cool $1.4 million. This car has unlimited functions. It can provide 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. It is an iconic car that is remembered in history. Not only the first hybrid performance Ferrari, but one of the fastest and exciting cars ever built. Yet another flashy present from Travis Scott. Jenner's jet black Ferrari LaFerrari is known for its $1.4 million price tag. With a V12 engine and golf wing doors, it's another head-turning addition in Kylie's collection. Number 1. Kanye West. Lamborghini Aventador. Kanye West, a father of 3, is one of the luckiest men who got a brand new Lamborghini Aventador. Its base price is around $400,000. To make the most expensive sports car in Kanye's garage, Kim spent $750,000. In 2011, this car replaced the Murcielago. Moreover, Kanye's Aventador has been in the media as it got deep scratches after being shut in by an electric door, and other than that, Kanye's assistant was also caught on video crashing the expensive car. Though Kanye West was captured driving in his Aventador, which was covered in matte black shortly after he received it, several times, the listing states that the car has only driven 1,433 miles, meaning this is basically a brand new Aventador. Additionally, Kanye swapped in his Aventador LP704 for a matte black Aventador LP704. This supercar has over 700 horsepower from a V12 motor and is quite amazing. One of his workers was moving the car at Kanye's house when he ran into the gate, but the Lamborghini didn't appear to be damaged much, if at all. So viewers, hope you enjoyed the video. We are excited to hear from you. Whom do you admire and whose luxurious car do you like the most? If you want to hear more about the prominent figures, do write us your feedback below in the comment section. For our new viewers, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Like and share this video with your friends and family. We shall catch you soon in another fascinating video. Good day to you.